Hello, this is Mr. Civil. So in the previous tutorial, I showed you on how to place a roof and to edit it and also to place dimensions. So in this tutorial, I teach you on how to generate elevations from the plan that you have drawn. So let's start. So these are the elevations. So you can see that we have 01, 02 over here, 03 and 04. So according to what we have here, it's east elevation, north elevation, west elevation and south elevation. So first of all, you can click on arrow and then you click on the elevations and then you can press Ctrl D and then drag it a suitable place. It should be almost to the near to the plan. So I've dragged that one. Also this one I'll drag it a bit. So you click on the elevations, press Ctrl D and then drag downwards. And then you can extend the lines using this black dot. So I'll extend up to there. And then this one I'll click on it. I'll press Ctrl D and then drag it up to there and then extend the lines. So also I can extend this one and then I can drag this too. So I'll click and then press Ctrl D and then drag, let's say up to there, and then I will extend the lines. Also I'll click on this one and then extend. So that is how we do. And then you can see that here is north elevation, but according to our plan it's elevation 01. So you just click and then where there is name over here you change it to 01. So the elevation will change automatically to 01. And then this elevation is 02, so you click on the elevation and then where there is name you change it to 02. And then this south elevation is 03, so you click and then you change the name to 03. And then this one too, you can click and then change the elevation to 04. So you can see it will change automatically. Also you can move this, for example if I want it to be on the center, so I'll click on the elevation and then you can see this pink diamond like dot, so you just take and then you can drag it. So you have to press Ctrl D and then you click on that dot and then move. Let's say you want to move it up to there, so you can see only the text has moved. Also for this one I'll do the same. I'll click, press Ctrl D and then click on this pink dot and then move it let's say up to there. So now we shall create elevations. So when you want to create an elevation, you click on the elevation and then right click and then you open the elevation. So this is the elevation 01. So I'll highlight it and then copy it. You can press Ctrl C or you can do using the right click. So I have pressed Ctrl C and then I'll come over here and then paste. So I'll click and then I'll paste. I'll press Ctrl V. So the object will appear over here. So this is the object. So you can drag it up to here. So this is our first elevation we have already created. So this you do same for the second elevation. So you click and then you open elevation. So this is the elevation. I'll copy. So you have to highlight, press Ctrl C to copy, then go to ground floor. And then you can paste, you press Ctrl V. So you can see that the object has appeared. And then you can drag it up to there. And then we'll create elevation 3. So you click on the elevation. And then you will open elevation. Open elevation. So mine is taking too much time to load because sometimes the software it stuck, so it's like that. So I'll copy this, Ctrl C, and then go to ground floor, click, and then I'll press Ctrl V. So you can see the elevation has appeared. So you just drag it downwards like that. Also this one I'll create. So you click on the elevation, you right click and then open elevation. Then you can highlight, press Ctrl C, go to ground floor and then you press Ctrl V. So the elevation will appear. The next thing is we shall edit this. So you can highlight it over here and then you press Ctrl Shift G and then you can remove this part, you delete, you click on it and then delete. Also this one I'll click and delete. On this one I'll do the same. Also on this one. So this one I will now fill it, but let me edit all of them first so it will be easier. So you highlight, press Ctrl Shift G and then you click, delete that part. I click on this and delete that part. Also this one I'll highlight, press Ctrl Shift G, and then I will delete these parts. So we are done with that. Then this is the last one, so I'll highlight it, press Ctrl Shift G, and then you can escape and then click on that part and then you delete. Also this one I'll click on these, I'll delete this one. So this one. So now I'll teach you on how to fill. So under the toolbox you go to document and then over there you'll find fill. So you can just double click on it, so a dialog box will appear. So this is the one. So this is for the line, and then here first of all I come and change it to draft filling, and then I'll click on this. Then first of all start with the blocks, so I'll use block running bond, and then click OK. And then you can come to where you want to place your uh, brick running bond, block running bond. So I want to place it over here, and then you press the space bar, and then you left click, so it will come automatically. Also here I'll do the same, you press the space bar, so it is telling that region not found at this point. So you will come and select the polygonal method, and then you click at every corner. So I'll start from these until I reach where I started from. And then I'll come to this one, I'll press my space bar and then left click, so this one has appeared as it was full. Also in this one I'll come, I'll press the space bar and then left click. This one I'll do the same. So you can see that our brick running bond has appeared. So this one I'll do the same. So I'll go to fill again, and then now I'll take roof tiles. You can see it over here, roof tiles 1, tiles 2. So you can select any of your choice. For me I'll go with roof tiles 1. So I'll click on it and then OK. And then you come to the region where you want to place the roof tiles, and then you press the space bar and then you left click. You can see that our roof has appeared. Also here I'll press roof tiles over there. These others I'll do the same. You press the space bar and then you go to the region where you want to fill and then you left click. Press the space bar and then you left click. Also for this one I'll do the same, and also for this one. So you can see how we generate elevations and also how we edit them. So this was the tutorial. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, share the video, and don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you very much.